No one girl can satisfy me. Me need more fuel for the lime green. Me that no one girl can deny me. Me no see me change shiny, but why pre? Me a controller, young soldier, once over. Any man at this way I get slumped over. Not for scared of the thing, girl, come closer. You need to come over. Bad man, we no watch that. Even when me need to watch that.
Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to do simple sew-in weave using hair from M-Share on AliExpress. This package is from M-Share hair on AliExpress, and I will be using their Brasilia straight hair. I will be using their 12 and the 10 inches to do this sew-in weave. This is their 12 inches, very full, and then the width well constructed. And they also came with details on how to co-wash and maintain the hair. And then this is their 10 inches. And then this is their frontal, 10 inches. In case you are interested to order with a frontal. But I will not be using frontal to do this sew-in weave. Don't forget that this hair is for M-Share hair on AliExpress. What I will do, I will first of all go ahead and section hair out from the middle, from the both sides. I will be attaching a little bit of yarn because she will be having the sew-in long. If you want your cornrows to last longer, I would advise you to attach a little bit of yarn, because when you attach yarn, it stays longer than adding like normal extensions. And I will go ahead and use veggie coconut oil to moisturize her scalp. And I will just go ahead to start with the normal sew-in weave. And I will just be doing flip over method because I don't want to cut the width, because she will be reusing the extensions later on. And I will just continue to do the normal sew-in weave. I also have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel showing you guys step by step how to do sew-in weave in slow motion. I will also try as much as possible to link some videos in the description box below, so check them out. Just watch this video throughout because I will try as much as possible to show you guys step by step. The last one I will be sewing, I will double the width. And then if I am done, I will just go ahead and secure the thread and the cut. I will use heat protector to protect her hair before I will use flat iron. Don't forget that this hair is from M-Share Hair on AliExpress. And then I used their 12 and the 10 inches to do this sew-in weave. The hair is very soft and they're beautiful. Details of this hair will be in the description box below. Everything I used in this video will also be in the description box below. If you enjoyed and if you like this video, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.